my pistol, man, them all.
Friday morning from Ibiza, guys. We unfortunately did not make it to the Beatport Awards last night. I'm going to just say I'm severely jet lagged, but I think I've got a bit of a cold, so thank God I'm not got a show this weekend. I need to recover. I've got some shots on deck. And now we're off to IMS. There's a panel which is all about me as an artist with my team. Kurt, my manager, Jim, my agent, Sam, label manager at 360, Hannah, who's my logistics girl, Jake behind the camera. He's behind the camera, so he's not on the panel, he's documenting the panel. I mean, it should be pretty interesting. It's been a pretty wild time recently, as you guys have seen on the YouTube. So you're heading there now, and then chilling this evening, working on some music.
Don't ever take man for it, cause it's easy to chat from the bench.
Yeah, it's quite simple to buy one. Well, it's quite similar, right?
Yeah, quite similar.
Yeah. I mean, not much has changed since then.
I'll touch base with definitely the reasons to do it.
Am I next to Pete then?
Yeah, I got it.
I've been really good. It's going to be one match.
Please welcome Team Josh Baker.
You had to work a record in clubs for months and almost commit to a release before you've got any feedback, which, you know, it can work both ways, this. It also makes you now question things when they don't get feedback, so it's like, right, I'm going to have to play these certain tracks, I've got this long, trying to figure it out.
Thank you, Team Josh Baker.
Thanks, guys.
You got it.
You want Swift. You can get it.
Doomed, I think, guys. Hey, I'm Josh Baker with Mixmag, and this is my dream lineup from open to close.
Bosh. Love it.
I think I'd be enjoying the music, not yapping too much, tequila soda, and just enjoying the ride, I think. Like, with a lineup like that, I would not. I'm Josh Baker with Ibiza Spotlight, and my best memory in Amnesia is 11 AM with Marco Carolla playing Avalanche. Ride never stops, guys. Back at it. Week off. Belgium tonight. Malta tomorrow. Finish off in Italy. The show goes on.
So like, you have to turn like the auto updates and shit off, don't you?
The sick ones are found. And then we're heading straight to Italy tomorrow night. So well-run weekend. All warming up for next week, which is Music On Fest and Amnesia opening. So let's go back on the Aperols. Back in Europe. Let's go.
I think it's mostly.
The only regret I've got is that we only got one each.
You know I wanted to say goodbye to.
So guys, we're on our way to the stage. I'm on in 10 minutes. First performance went pretty hard, so I was expecting a more trippy, kind of minimal vibe of the reel. We're always equipped for any occasion, so some of the more deep stuff's probably out the window. We shall send it either way. First time on a man for ages.
my telephone into the sea.
Music make you lose control.
Worst case scenario, I think it was good.
That's what I'm saying. The worst case scenario is that piss.
Yeah, the worst case scenario is it was fucking decent. Best case scenario, it was fucking
It
really
was
good.
actually good.
Yeah.
Gig's done. 1 down, 2 to go. Big up Belgium. I and the crowd got into it after about an hour or so. Happy how it went. Ripped the RMX, ripped the effects. Felt pretty good. So we got some snacks now from the tuck shop, which you're about to see.
What is that? A Susie? Little Susie
Little
strip
Stroopwaffer.
I'll have a classic. I'll have a classico.
We probably just could do a runner, guys. But
Just
Belgium,
check out without pen.
Belgium authorities watch this. Oh, fuck's sake, I've scanned the water twice. No, it's not too bad. €23. Day 1 done. Stroopwaffer in the bag.
Yeah, man. I left my phone on the other side of the rooms, so it's just like no scroll.
What was that, intentional?
Not really. I didn't have a plug socket next to my bed, so I was pretty happy about it when I woke up. Otherwise, that'd have been another hour, mate, before I'm going to sleep.
Yeah.
Easily, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hello, it's a pleasure.
So, Max, I'm Josh. Nice to meet you, brother.
Morning, how are you? Everything good?
With you all weekend,
Yeah, good.
Let's go.
Good.
So we can go in about, let's see, 5 minutes?
Perfect. Whenever you're ready, man.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, man.
Back, baby. We're back, baby. Off to Malta, taking the jet. And we've got the same guy, same pilot for tomorrow. Sorry, it's today. We're going Malta and Italy, and tomorrow we're going back to Ibiza. So with us all weekend, Malta to Italy is only half an hour, 2 sets. And yeah, look at this. This is what you get. So you come in a private terminal. I know last time when I did this, I didn't really show you, but you get all these drinks, just literally straight through. Obviously, no duty free here, son. I was more buzzing the fact you get free snacks last time. But I mean, when you price up a jet, the snacks, at least do a jot of water, sir. A couple sparkling.
I'm not trying to be your friend, but I'm running out of options. We have plans feels as if we lost them, and all the crazy things you do to me, I just can't walk away. You see,
We've arrived, guys. Malta. Let's go.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, bro. How are you?
Francis, okay, as far as you wake up.
Yes.
Francis, pleased to meet you. We are going to the Intercontinental.
Correct.
You're good. Yes, please.
That's very good. Good to see you. Good, you?
You know what time it is, guys. It's game over when the black vest is on.
Yeah, not busy.
Game over for everyone.
Oh mate, that was so fucking good.
Guys, done. I needed that one, guys. I told you when I turn up in the vest, there's no games getting played. That felt like a moment, man.
Get the Belvita out.
Yeah, I was on a loop, RMX, effect, send, and a fucking EQ rip. I was doing that 8 at once, I was like that, and it all came off, man.
But the RMX didn't sound too loud.
You know, I knew today. I knew today.
Yeah, you turned it down, innit?
Guys, so listen, you can get chocolate muffins from the lounge before you go on the plane. Off to Italy, Malta, they're insane. Let's go. If I see a really good tune, then I think, oh, well, if I play that, then I can't. If I play this tune now, then I can't hold the energy up. But then I think, worry about it later. I actually sometimes think, like snooker players think 3 shots ahead or whatever. DJing, you may think 3 shots ahead. Sometimes I think, you know what? Don't think 3 shots ahead. Play it now and you'll figure it out. Cheers.
Come on, boys. Well done, Josh, mate. Killed it.
Got just tonight, it's after trauma, bro. So. Bit of a headsy one tonight.
Yeah, mate, look after your store manager, mate. He's looking a bit broken.
Mate,
I'm on the fucking job, son.
He's clotted him already, mate. We arrived in Italy, guys. One more to go. After trauma, we're gonna play some nice ones. Let's go.
El nombre?
Mimo.
Mimo,
Encantado,
Alessio. Alessio.
What do you have a channel? What do you guys do?
Just make the race.
I'm a DJ.
DJ. Yeah.
Pincha, no?
You're having a party in Palermo? Invite me, man. I come if you invite me.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, thank you.
Let's go, guys. Insane.
That's my song. That's my sister's song. There you go and be free. Come on and dance with me. Clap your hands and stroke your feet. Look this way, you're the perfect free. If this alright with you, then it's alright with me. Let's get on the floor and don't slow. With the juicy thing.
Your body shake it, baby, do it right, just work it.
My mama used to dance like that. Let's hit the bar and drink, tequila shot. Find a spot on the floor and let me see it drop.